viewers, welcome back! 4th of July, here we come to our newest premiere.
I made
So-
a 4th of July video.
Yep, oh well, over there. There's actually a lot of fireworks over there. I can't really, oh.
No, do.
Alright, I'm sorry viewers, I always get distracted during the video time. And this girl over here needs to be quiet. But she could speak during the time. Oh, over there. Alright, you can talk now. I'm still on recording though.
No.
Yeah? I know this premiere is gonna be long. Like, I should say that. Why is there always like
Can
stuff?
I say something too at the screen?
Don't scream. Ooh, what was that?
Hello, my name's Daisy.
Yep, that's her name.
I have a YouTube channel too, and I'm 5.
Yeah, but I don't know the name yet. Oh,
And my birthday is really
I saw that's over there.
birthday.
All right, all right.
Getting
No more.
darker by the minute.
Yeah, we're about to do the fireworks. I'm about to light them up soon.
And
Oh, over there. All the way up.
sorry, I got distracted, guys. But I'll see you in the next video comes.
Yeah. Soon enough, guys. I hope you guys are. Oh. If you guys are having a happy 4th of July. Wait. Shh. I'll tell you when to speak. Okay, so. Oh! Right there. Okay, okay. So I hope you guys are having a happy 4th of July. Woo! Ooh. You guys are seeing that, right? Oh! There's something falling from the sky. Looks like it has been started. Oh, yeah. All these guys were saying that it's scary, like an apocalypse. But no, it says 4th of July, everyone. Happy 4th of July, where we do all our fireworks. They're having a dance someday. My poor cat is gonna get scared. Even their dog Ruby. Right, Jake? Oh yeah, I forgot. Over here is that one guy. Subscribe to his channel, please.
And subscribe to my channel too.
Oh yeah, sure, but I need to figure out the rules, the name or anything. What is the name? Whoa!
Get to Daisy to get style.
Daisy style?
No, get to Daisy to get style. Daisy style.
What? I can't search that up. How many subscribers do you have then?
I don't know. I haven't posted it.
Oh.
No, it's just 0
Oh.
subscribers.
Ooh. Oh, over there. It's Alright guys, I'm gonna jump down and watch. Alright. The cameraman is gonna, oh wait, look guys. Look at that. Yeah.
No.
You wanna jump down? Look, watch. Oh wait, I can be able to do it easy. Alright, let's go. It's alright, Daisy. Let's do it. 3, 2. Oh, right there.
Yeah?
That was loud, actually.
3, 2, 1.
Do you want me to shoot
I did it!
your face on the camera? Alright, this is my mom and dad. This is usually a YouTube channel for times. Please think, I know I want some more. Oh!
Whoa.
Oh! Oh, yeah, right there. Right there. You guys see that smoke? Just zoom it in. Right there. Wait, what? I'm doing a video for YouTube. Now I know. Okay, we got some. They're skyrockets. Should we do the fireworks? It's already getting dark. Should
We're
we do?
getting there. We're almost there.
Ooh, a moth. Oh! Oh! Guys, Guys, do not do that. Do not do that fireworks. Because that is illegal. Oh! If you guys saw that, please like. Ooh. Really? Oh. Oh! Over there in the corner. Oh! Oh! Smoke, that's where it was. Playing out of war, that one, guys. Yeah, no one can take it with this. Oh.
What storm is that?
Huh? Alright, guys, yeah. There's a plane, I don't know why. Oh. Oh, wow, it's right there. What? Oh! Oh! Ooh. Yeah, you guys can see that. Oh, gosh. Yeah.
I'm going inside.
No, don't go inside, Daisy. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Yeah. A lot of people are just don't like the fireworks because they're loud, actually. Alright, this is my car. This is my mom's car. Looks beautiful. Oh! Oh! Okay, so far we've been catching some fireworks. Oh. I know, but that's illegal because. Oh! Oh! Yes! You guys saw that? You guys can see that? Look at that. Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh! Let's see. Oh! Phew! Oh! Oh! Alright, this guy's gone everywhere. Firecrackers! Firecrackers! Just recording it from my channel. I know there's a fireworks. Oh! Oh! Where was that?
This way, you missed it.
Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Woo. That smells so bad. Okay, 2021 4th of July. I'm also supposed 2020. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh, that was behind me. I can't tell. Oh! Oh, there's a show right here. We're almost there. Get more darker. Oh! Oh! Loud! Oh! Oh! Oh wait! Okay, so I recorded some fireworks from my channel. Say hi, AJ.
Hi.
Hello. Say hi to Dog Lover Dogs Rule.
Meow, 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 meow.
Yeah. All right. Oh, over there. Yeah. All right, guys. I know this is Dog Lover Dogs Rule. What? Oh! I think that was enough. Ooh. I think it's time to start. Oh. Ooh, that was out. Woo.
Hey, look, we can open the window. Hot
Oh,
chocolate,
yeah.
open the window.
Yeah.
Because there's a window right here.
No, we're not gonna close that.
Open it.
No, we're not gonna close the door and open the window.
No.
Oh, like you want that to
Yeah, I
be.
want this to be
Okay, let me see.
Try to start. Wait. Watch out. Wait.
All right.
Wait, get out.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a spinning thing. Is it? Bruh. It didn't work. It didn't even work. It didn't even work.
Yes, look, guys.
What? Yes!
Need more. Way more. Hold on. What's going on?
We're gonna put it in the window.
Oh! See through there.
Yeah.
Not yet. Almost.
Let's see.
There. It's done. Yes.
Oh! Oh!
Yo, that scared me.
I know, that was huge.
Okay.
Viewers, if you guys saw that, please like and subscribe. I know fireworks are popular.
I got some of these.
Oh! Yeah!
Buy a whole thing.
Isn't this a perfect day?
The what?
It is a perfect day for 4th of July. Let's go. Oh. Let's see. Oh! Woo! So you lit that up. Okay.
These are the things you can light up.
Okay, let me crack them.
Ooh. Yeah, I want one. I want one, Adi.
I know I'm cracking them still.
Wait, guys.
Oh! Oh!
Guys, we're doing another one. Go, guys, let's do another one.
Oh!
No, I can't see. Oh, it's one of those. There's two of them.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Yo!
I want the blue one. I want blue one.
I picked that.
I want blue.
I want blue one. I said that first.
I said blue first.
This is my sister over here.
I said blue first.
No, I said it way before you even said to choose the options.
I want blue though.
Oh! Look guys,
Okay, here's the yellow. Here.
Give me the blue.
Can I have the blue one, please?
What's your password?
Hey, I was gonna get that one.
I want purple.
Oh, this is blue.
Trash is not blue. I want purple.
Alright. Look guys. Firework. Oh!
Yeah.
Fountain!
Look it up.
Oh, it's one of those flashing fireworks.
What are they doing? I want the blue one.
Ooh. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Smoke, the color.
Oh! It's red!
Red.
Oh! Oh, behind there, that's what happened. Woo. Wait, no, Daisy, no. I'm sorry. No, I'm recording. No more. Oh! Woo. Uncle George backed up from that thing. Look, did you see that? It was doing like the others. Oh! Yay! No, dude. Oh. Oh, it's some type of fountain. Ooh. Okay, there is a lot of fireworks. Is there at the other fireworks?
There's no connection.
No internet connection?
Connection.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, that was like, oh. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Alright, oh, smoke balls. Alright, let's see. Smoke balls. So we're starting off with the small ones?
Yeah, always
Alright. Ooh. No! Oh, those are huge!
Dad, it's not working. Dad.
Wait, I have no connection. I have no connection. Great.
It's not working.
Alright guys, I have no connection. Oh wait, it's just connected back. There. Oh! Oh! Yay! Be careful, Uncle George, you're gonna get yourself on fire. Uncle George, back up! Back up! Back up! Oh! What the? Oh!
Dad.
Oh! Oh! Ooh.
The blue smoke.
Dad.
Oh! Ooh. Over there, over there.
Dad. Dad.
Ooh. I'm shaking. Like, look at all these fireworks. Why is Dr. Duck you just in the dark? Oh, out of war. Oh, ooh. Ooh, look over there.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Oh.
Did you get it?
I got it kind of. Oh, none of those flashing ones, really. Whew. I'm gonna be like Doctor Strange, like a cowboy. Okay. Ooh. Oh, the smoke ball broke. Huh.
Dad.
Oh,
Concentrate. I want him to burn himself. Keep doing it.
yo! Oh, I didn't get that one. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah, okay, that's the one that makes the sound. Oh! Oh! It went, no, it was like you just went near the ground.
Yeah.
It went up just attacked the tree. Oh. I caught it. I caught it. Oh! Ooh. Oh! I did. I kind of got that. Okay. Ooh.
Now like we're in a war zone.
Yeah. But there's too many fireworks. Like what should I say? Oh, look on over there. Ooh, I got all of them. Ooh. Dude, I can't even get all of them. Amazing, most of the fireworks are coming from over there. Oh! Ooh.
The morning glory you're right there. Yeah, light stuff up,
Ooh.
Want me to put it around your neck?
No, it's okay. Oh! Oh!
Where? We'll see 'em with the box.
Hold on.
We have morning glory.
Let's see what else we got. What are those do? We gotta try it out. Ooh. Let's do the piccolo ones. Yeah, I wanna know what those do. Oh!
Want a morning glory?
What are those?
The one that you go like this.
Yeah, that's what I was using.
No, not this one. The one with the fire.
Oh. I want
see
a
the
glory.
lighter
I don't like those in the car.
I want one. I like the
Oh! Man, I did. Oh. Really? Oh! Woo. Oh, that's where they're coming from. Okay, I hit it. Oh, I didn't get that one. Oh. No, let's go. Okay, I kind of got that
I don't
one.
even know where to look anymore.
I know, 4th of July is too popular. Ooh. Oh. Oh! I didn't get that one. Next time to tell me or something.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa. Ah, let's go. Oh, wait. Dad, watch out. Whoa.
Oh, it's going to happen.
Oh, Mom. I saw.
No, these are illegal. We're just talking about illegal.
Oh, no.
Yes, illegal. People can't have them.
Why is it illegal?
Remember about the orange stuff? And it could cause fire.